everyone, what is up and welcome back to another video. This video we shall say it's a continuity of the series of me changing to iPhone. So the first video I think 2 weeks ago was me changing to iPhone. I gave the reasons and what phone I changed to, and the second video is me unboxing the accessories that I got for my iPhone 13 mini. Today's video, as you have seen by the title and the thumbnail, it's me buying an Apple Watch. I have finally gotten myself an Apple Watch and I just can't express how excited I am because this has been something that I never expected for me to happen. I have always been an admirer of Apple Watches because of the rich look that they give. By rich look I mean whenever you're wearing an Apple Watch you get a premium feeling than other watches, because all the other watches are round and Apple Watch is the only square shaped watch. Yep, there are other watches like there are great watch brands like Rolex and everything which are like 1,000 times more expensive than Apple, and yeah, they are rich watches, but I'm just talking about a basic person using a basic smartwatch and you can immediately recognize it that it's an Apple Watch and it just gives that premium feel. But obviously I wasn't able to get it because iPhone has been my spare phone, and getting a Apple Watch with my spare phone wasn't something that I wanted to do because I was using the Samsung Health more than the Apple Health. I really wasn't exploring my spare phone, and iPhone was pretty much like just to try all these some of the main features like iOS 16 and all, home screen changing and all that. So I basically use my iPhone just to try out a few of the new features, and that's about it. And I thought buying an Apple Watch wasn't worth it for a spare phone, so I just got a Samsung watch, and to be honest, Samsung watches were good for me because those were heavy and on my wrist. So today, after many years of wanting, I have finally gotten myself an Apple Watch. So without further ado, let's get started into the video and let me unbox with you the Apple Watch that I got. But before we start into this video, I want to say the Apple Watch that I got, it's a pre-used one, so it's actually a second-hand one. I'll definitely explain why I got a used Apple Watch and all of the things. But before that, let's just get to unboxing the Apple Watch. Here we go. This is the Apple Watch that I got, and definitely this is not the Series 8. As I said that this is already a pre-used one, so a Series 8 can't be a pre-used watch, so it's not the Series 8. This is the Apple Watch Series 7 Nike edition with 45mm and midnight aluminum case. And before we unbox, you're wondering what's an AirPods on top, and that is just to cover up my serial number because it will be a lot more easier for me to just cover it up now than to cover it up during editing. And before I open, you would have definitely realized that there's two lines here. This indicates that it's already been opened before, but since this is my watch that I got for myself, so I'm gonna unbox it again on the other. And here we have the watch. Okay, so the person actually put it upside down, I guess. Now let's just put my Apple Watch to a side, and here we have the strap. This is the Nike sports band with stainless steel pin. So this is a pretty basic strap, I guess. So let's put this outer casing to us one side, and let's open the strap first. So I'm gonna open it up. Okay, there's a pull tab as always. Let's pull it out. Oops, oops, sorry, my bad. Pull it out, and oh, actually it's the name for the sports band, which is the olive gray or cargo khaki Nike sports band. That's cool. Okay, let's put it to one side. Let's turn this around, open it up, and here's the strap. Wow, there's two straps here. Oh, okay, I understood. This is the medium and large, and this is the small and medium. Okay, that looks nice. I think I'll probably be trying out with the small and medium strap. And is there anything else in this box? Nope, that's about it. So let's just close this up, put it to a side, and here's the watch. Let's unbox it now. So open it up. Yep, the lid is out. Here we have it. Designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. Since it's a Nike Apple Watch, taking a look at the documentation as usual, and the documentations are nothing. They're just advices on battery and charging, safety handling, and just pretty much those normal information that we get from an Apple. Definitely reading them later. So let's put that aside. Here we have the charging cable, and oops, okay, the charging cable looks used too, so let's take it out. And here we have the charging cable. Let's unbox that first because I don't have an Apple Watch charger, so I'm gonna use this. Take it out, and here's the charger. Let's just say it's the normal 1 meter cable, but with USB-C at the top and just the Apple charging puck in the front. That's about it. Put it to one side. Now we are going to take a look at the Apple Watch itself. And now here's the Apple Watch. Now let's unbox this and take this out of the wrapper. And here I have the Apple Watch. And if you're wondering what this bubble is, this is the screen protector. There's a screen protector placed on top of it. I'll come to why it is in a second, but here's the Apple Watch. Pretty small watch. It's quite light too. Yep, that's pretty much it. Let's turn it on now. Just press the crown and wait for it to turn on. Why is it not turning on? Oh, okay. There's actually another button at this side. I'm guessing this is the on and off switch. So let's click this. Then we have the Apple logo and the watch is booting up. So let me just set this watch up and we will continue into the video. I'm not showing the setup here because I'm actually going to use the phone I'm recording to set this watch up. So yep, give me a second on that. I'll just quickly set it up and we'll be back into the video.
2 hours later.
And there we go. The watch has been set up. I've got the Memoji here, but before we can use it, we need a strap. And that's when the original strap comes in. We're gonna take the top of the strap out, and I'm gonna try it with the small and medium loop here. Like this, I guess. Slide it in here. It's gonna do it the same way. Slide it in, and that's good. The watch looks okay, I guess, but it doesn't really suit with the brown color watch band. Doesn't really suit, but I'm just gonna wear it anyways. I need a manual to figure out how to wear this, so let's just follow the manual here. Slide it in till you hear a click. That has been done. Adjust the band to fit with optimal performance. Okay, this is too weird to wear. I'm just gonna put my hands here. Yep, there we go. It's in, and what do? Put it in. That looks good. We have another strap here too, so we're gonna try that out. How do you take this strap out? And let's just take this strap out. This strap is not coming out. I don't want to break the watch. And yeah, if you have noticed, there's actually a small crack on this watch here. I'll come back to that crack later. The crack just happened recently, so I'll come back to that. But before that, let's settle the strap situation that I have here right now. There's a button here. I think that's probably how it is. Oh, okay. That was pretty clean. I was actually using a lot of force, but so let's try the bigger strap. The small strap was just nice for me, but I'm just gonna give this a try. I'm still not used to these straps. Fantastic. I just tied the watch the other way around, but this strap, it's a little too big for me, so I think I'm just gonna go with the small strap. So let's just quickly change back to the strap. It looks kind of okay to me. This strap just fits me nice. This strap is a little too large for me, so I'm just gonna put it back into here. And here's my Apple Watch in my hands. Pretty close fit. Obviously I didn't tie it properly. There's a lot of gap here. I need to bring it closer, but let's just take it out for now and out. And I hate this strap. This is Apple Watch. And now onto the reason why I got this Apple Watch Series 7 45mm Nike. The reason for that is we can simply put it in one word, which is price. That is the only reason why I got the Apple Watch Series 7. And before I reveal what price that I got, I think the reasons will be more understandable if we take a look at the Apple website right now. So let's take a look at the Apple website and we will get back to the video. Here we are in the Apple website. Let's go to watch, and we have the Series 8, Ultra and the SE. So let's take a look at the Ultra first, and we already have it here. So here we can see the price from 1198. Let's just click order now and see the pricing. This is one of my favorite Apple Watch Ultras. If only I had the money, I would have gotten this immediately. Orange, 49mm, GPS and cellular, so that's standard. Let's just go with the small strap, I guess. 1198. Let's go for the medium strap. All the straps are the same price, so 1198. We should go and take a look at the Apple Watch SE. The 40mm is $379 for the Apple Watch SE. Now let's take a look at the Series 8, and we're gonna go for the 45mm. GPS is $649. This is the exact same price as the Series 7. That's just ridiculous. It's definitely a good one for those upgrading. Now that we've taken a look at the Apple website, we could see that the retail price of the Series 8 is the same as retail price of the Series 7. When looking at that, it's the same price, so Series 7 or Series 8. So when you put them aside, everyone will go for Series 8. I'm not including the Apple Watch Ultra in this category, and that is because that is in a totally different league. So it's just going to be about the Series 7 and the Series 8. The SE, it's too low, so comparing that, everyone will go for Series 8. because it's the same price as the Series 7. So why not I get the new version, which has probably an extra 1 or 2 years of software update, and also it's a bit more updated, and that is where most people are getting wrong. The price that we are comparing is the retail price of the Series 7, retail price of the Series 8. But we are forgetting to look at websites beyond Apple. Like all of you would have known, I'm basically buying a lot of my tech products from Carousell. Like I said, it's a local app in Singapore, so I'm usually buying through that. That was like the second place that I opened to check for pricing when I bought my Apple Watch. So I first checked on the Apple website, and it showed that the Series 8 was 649 if I'm not wrong, and that was the same price that I saw for Series 7, because the moment I changed to iPhone, I want to get an Apple Watch, and when I changed to iPhone, the Series 8 wasn't released yet. So I saw the price and it was the same price as what the Series 8 is retailing right now. So I thought I shall wait until the Series 8 comes out and check what price it goes for. And after the Series 8 came out, I was kind of surprised to know that the Series 8 costed the same price as the Series 7. But Series 8 isn't much of an upgrade from Series 7. So I decided to look at apps like Carousell and eBay. eBay, I kind of had to pay for shipping and all that, but Carousell is local, and I can just meet the seller up and I can buy it and just check for any damage or anything. I just had to go with that. And in Carousell, I saw a really good deal, which is the watch I'm having right now. So that's the good deal that I saw. It was listed as $490 for an Apple Watch Series 7. It says that it has been lightly used, but it looked brand new. The charger wasn't opened, just the strap was open and the screen protector was on. And that's about it. The seal for the watch was broken, as well as the strap was broken. Nothing else was used. The body and everything looks flawless, as you have seen in this video. So I thought that is a really good deal for $490. So I decided to check the seller, and I negotiated the price for $460. So $460 for a brand new, I can never say that's a used watch. For a brand new Series 7, it's really good. So I decided to go ahead with the deal, and I got the watch. So now I'll come back to the part where my watch had a crack. If you can see here, I hope you can see it here. It was because of my mistake, because when I bought it from the seller, everything was perfectly fine. I checked for any flaws or any scratches. It was nothing. The watch was perfectly new, perfect condition, and the mistake happened when I didn't know how to handle this watch. As you can see, I'm using the Apple strap, right? So you could see that the watch was hard to take out. So what I did was I tried to take it out hard, and the watch just fell from my table. So the watch fell, and the watch fell straight down. I would have been happy if it fell with the screen facing down, because it had a screen protector and that would have saved it. But it fell straight down, and I could hear the metal just slapping on the floor. It was really painful. I was really scared. I took the watch, and to my unlucky day, the watch cracked. So that's kind of my mistake. I should have been more careful when taking out the watch. I was sad for a while, but I just decided to continue with this video and just put it back in, and just do a proper unboxing, because I just wanted to unbox it in front of cameras. So I'm really sorry for that. Definitely that's on me. It's my fault. It's still a lot more for me to learn from the Apple Watch, because I have never used it. So this watch is very light compared to my Galaxy Watch, so I need to get used to that. A lot of things to get used to, but I am definitely liking this change. And if you feel like the price that I paid for this watch was worth it, or some of you might think that it's an overpriced for Series 7, or do you think it's just nice? Whatever is it, just leave it in the comments below. I would love to read them. And before I end this video, just want to say a huge sorry, because I won't be doing any iPhone 14 content. I'm really sorry for that. I won't be doing any coverage, because I won't be getting any of their products right now, because as you all know, I just got my iPhone 13 mini, I just got the Apple Watch, I just got the accessories and all that stuff, so not really getting iPhone 14 this year. I'm really thankful to those who have watched this video till this far, because everyone will be busy with iPhone 14 content, and I'm here doing the previous year's hardware contents. So I'm doing what I can to entertain all of you. So if you're watching it till this far, I really appreciate it, and a huge thank you from me. With that, thank you once again for watching, and I'll catch all of you in the next one. Bye bye.